front leg, exhaling, return. Again, inhale to stretch. Straighten the front leg. And then one more, inhale to stretch. And then straighten the front leg. And then return again. Okay, so lagay tayo ng isang blue spring at isa pang leg spring to the left side, sa pinaka-left side. Okay, and then lie down tayo. So, tatlo siya. Dalawang red at saka isang blue. Okay, so lie down and do your okay, so let's do our footwork. So lie down on your back. And then from there, so again, yung feet position natin. So this is the ball of your foot, and you have to place it on top of your foot bar, and the heels are connected. So it's a small level different, and then arms by your side. Okay, so balls of your feet now. That's not the balls of your feet. Arms by your side. So from there, dikit po yung shoulder, sa shoulder rest. Some more. Okay. So fingertips together, so ito yung position, yung fingertips. So para bumaba yung shoulder from the shoulder rest, so think of reaching your fingertips papunta doon sa mirror. Okay. So automatic siyang bumaba, no? Na hindi nyo kailangan ibaba yung katawan ninyo. Arms by your side, it's the balls of your feet, ma'am. This is the ball of your foot. So heels are together. These are the toes. I want you to feel the ball of your feet. Heels are connected. So your goal is to stretch the legs na hindi maghiwalay ang inner heels at hindi aangat ang puwet at lower back. So from there, inhale to stretch the legs. And then exhaling, return again. So ma'am, balls of your feet, not the toes. Angat mo pa siya. And then slightly toes apart. So inhale to stretch again. Hold. So keep connecting your inner heels. And then keep pressing from the balls of your feet as you return. So again, same connection. As you press and then squeeze the heels, inhale to stretch again. And then exhaling again, return. So again, inhale to stretch. And then right away, exhale, return. So continue. 4 more. Inhale to stretch. And then exhale again, return. Inhale to stretch. And then exhale, return again. 1 more. Inhale to stretch. And then exhaling, return again. So this time, let's change yung position ng paa. So this is the balls of your foot again. So this time, bring your feet together. So let's place it on the arches of the feet. So in layman's term, that's your talampakan. So where part of your talampakan, try to feel yung highest point ng talampakan. So bring your feet together. And then, just point your toes up to the ceiling. So, ito yung talampakan. Gitna po siya. Hindi siya sa heels. Baba pa ng konti. So, bring your feet together. So, inhale to stretch the legs. So, keep pressing from the arches. Exhale, return. Okay, so let's try. Inhale through the nose. And then exhaling also through your nose. So, again, inhale to stretch. And then exhale, return again. And then 7. And then exhale again, return 6. And then 5. And then 4. And then lastly. And then 2. And then 1 more. And then return again. So this time, return all the way home. So this is the balls of your feet, the arches of the feet, and then this is the heel technically, but you have to place it above the heel. Kung saan may invoke dun sa heels, dun yun. Yung may, meron parang arch, dun siya dapat nakapwesto. And then keep of pressing your feet against the floor or just pressing against the wall. So diretso lang siya. Okay, so emphasize pressing from the heel, inhale to stretch again. And then exhaling again, return. So it's a long inhalation. And completely exhaling out again through your nose again. So inhale through your nose. And then you're exhaling out also through your nose. 7. So your entire back, and then the entire back lining of the arms, it should be firmly pressing against the bed. Inhale again, para kayong nalagay dyan. Inhale, and then exhale. And then 5 more. And then 4. And then lastly. And then 2. And then 1 more. And then return again. So let's go back to your first position. It's the balls of your feet. Heels are together. And then arms by your side. So listen na mabuti sa instruction. Arms by your side. Inhale to stretch the legs. Okay? So keep your heels connected. Keep your legs straight. Okay. Your legs will not bend. You just lower down your heels under the foot bar rod. And then lift your heels again. And then you return, bend your knees. Okay. Again, inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels under the foot bar. And then lift again. And then return. Listen to instruction. Inhale to stretch. Don't bend the knees. Lower down first the heels. Lift your heels again. And then return, bend your knees. Again, 7 more. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels under. And then you lift your heels. And then bend your knees again. So continue. 6 more. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels under the foot bar. Lift your heels again. And then bend your knees, return. 5 more. It's a long inhalation. Lower down your heels. And then lift again. And then bend. And then return. 4 more. Inhale to stretch. Lower down the heels under the foot bar without bending your knees and lift. And then bend again. 4 more. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels. Lift your heels. Bend your knees. Return. Lastly, inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels under. Lift. And then bend. Return. And then lastly, inhale. Lower down your heels, lift, and then bend again. Last 2, inhale to stretch, lower down the heel under, lift, and then bend again. Last 1, inhale to stretch, and then you lower down your heels, lift, and then bend again. So same movement, hindi na tayo mag-bend ng knee. So ibig sabihin, straight lang yung legs. Okay, can you adjust your foot na dapat sa balls ng feet nakalagay? Adjust. Heels are together and then slightly toes apart. Okay? So try yung i-feel yung ball ng paa, hindi yung toes. Okay? Heels are together and then arms by your side. Baba mo pa, ma'am. Baba pa. Okay. So slightly toes apart. So you will not bend your knees na, ha? Inhale to stretch. Keep your legs straight. Stomach in, lower down the heels. Okay, and then lift your heels again. Hindi mag-iwalay ang inner heels. Lower down. Keep your legs straight. It's 10 times na naka-lower ang heels, na straight ang legs. And then 8. And then 7. Keep your heels together. And then 5. And then 4. And then 3. And then last 2, and then 1, and then lift again, bend your knees, and then return. So again, second set, can you bring the heels together? Arms by your side, inhale to stretch again, lower the heels under the foot bar, and then lift again, and then lower down your heels again, and then 8, and then 7, and then 6, and then last 5, and then 4, and then 3, And then 1, lift your heels again, and then bend your knees 3 turn. Last set of 10. Inhale to stretch again. Lower down your heels under the foot bar. Lift. And then lower down again. And then 8. Keep your heels connected. Keep your legs almost straight. And then 7. And then 6. And then last 5. And then 4. 3. And then last